Achoo! Oh, no. Oh, gosh, it's so lonely here in my nursery. Oh, greetings, Earthling. Oh, hi. Who are you? I'm Martin the Martian. Martin? Oh, nice to meet you. Achoo! Oh, you seem to have infection of some kind. Oh, dear. My mommy says it's just some kind of a cold. Achoo! Oh, possibly. Let me see. But, excuse me, Earthling, what kind of species are you? Oh, 1 minute, let me Google it. Huh? Just a minute, let me find out. Oh, you are Anna today. Classification of birds where ducks belong. Yeah, I'm a duck. Oh, yes, and I see by your bulbous head and your big eyes that you must be a baby duckling? Yes, that's right. I'm a baby duckling. Oh, I see. Now, what is this? Oh, what is your name? Sneezers. Sneezers. Oh, I see. Good name. Is this because you sneeze a lot? Yeah, precisely. Yeah, you're really bright for a Martian. Great, being upstaged by a duckling. I don't know. Maybe I have allergies. Well, possibly. Let me Google one more. What thing you could possibly have? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, maybe this will help. What will help? Vitamin C in an orange. What? Vitamin C in an orange? I can't understand you. Got a piece of orange in your mouth. Orange, as vitamin C will help you with your possible infection of bug flu. Oh, yeah, that in case I don't have allergies. That's a good idea. Can you go make me some orange juice? Oh, will I look like your babysitter? Please, that'd be really nice. I'd really like it. Okay? Okay, because you're so cute and adorable. Alright, I'll make you some orange juice. Thank you. Boy, how do I get suckered into these things? It seems really nice. It's nice for a Martian. Well, I'm gonna go back to sleep now. So when my orange juice comes, I'm going to go back in my nursery. Oh, remember, kids, vitamin C and oranges are good for you all the time. It helps keep your immune system strong so you won't get sick, okay? So have a glass of orange juice every day, or an orange, or some citrus fruits like a grapefruit, alright? Okay, love you. Bye-bye.